Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best DDR4 8GB 2400 is probably one of the most crucial components for your computer's performance, especially if you're on a budget or building a system for everyday tasks. This video will dive deep into what makes this RAM stick tick, from its speed and capacity to its compatibility with different motherboards and processors. We'll explore its benefits and help you decide if it's the right choice for your needs. Number 5. Crucial 8GB DDR4 2400 MHz SODIMM. Looking for a memory upgrade? This crucial SODIMM is a great choice. It offers 8GB of DDR4 memory, perfect for boosting your system's performance. This SODIMM has 260 pins, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of laptops and small form factor PCs. Installation is easy, and it's designed for a seamless upgrade experience. With a speed of 2400 MHz, this memory module provides fast data transfer rates. It helps improve responsiveness, allowing you to run applications and multitask more efficiently. The PC4-19200 designation indicates its performance capabilities. This module is built to handle demanding tasks, making it ideal for both work and play. Upgrade your system with this crucial memory module and experience a noticeable improvement in speed and performance. It's a reliable and cost-effective solution for enhancing your computing experience. What we like. This memory module uses the SODIMM form factor, making it perfect for laptops and small form factor PCs. It offers a balance of performance and efficiency, thanks to its DDR4 2400 speed. If you have a laptop or a compact desktop, this is a great choice to boost your system's performance. What people say. Worked as it should, breathed new life in laptop. My computer now runs so much faster. I can multitask with several applications open at once without any lag, and switching between programs is seamless. It immediately recognized the new memory and Windows did, too. No glitches. I've run the laptop for many hours at a time and there have been zero errors or problems. Number 4. Crucial 8GB DDR4 2400 MHz desktop memory. This is a high-performance 8GB DDR4 memory module from Crucial. It's designed for desktop computers, offering a significant upgrade for your system. The memory module features a 288-pin DIMM design, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of motherboards. Installation is straightforward. With a speed of 2400 MHz, it provides fast data transfer rates, improving overall system responsiveness. It helps to boost your computer's performance. This memory module operates at PC4-19200, which is a standard for DDR4 memory. It ensures reliable and efficient performance. Upgrade your system with this crucial memory module to experience faster loading times and smoother multitasking. It's a great investment for any desktop user. What we like. This memory module uses the DIMM form factor, designed for desktop computers. With DDR4 2400 speed, it provides a solid foundation for everyday computing tasks. If you are building or upgrading a desktop PC, this is a reliable option to consider. What people say. Works great, got 2 kits for 32GB total and runs well in my Optiplex 5050 SFF for standard use and light gaming. Easy to install. Works great. This memory 2-pack is working perfectly and was a welcome upgrade for an older PC. Number 3. Corsair Vengeance LPX 8GB DDR4 Memory Kit. This memory kit features hand-sorted memory chips, ensuring high performance and generous overclocking headroom. It's designed to deliver exceptional speed and reliability for your system. Vengeance LPX is optimized for wide compatibility with the latest Intel and AMD DDR4 motherboards. This ensures it will work seamlessly with your existing setup. With a low profile height of just 34mm, it fits in most small form factor builds. This allows it to be installed in a variety of systems. A high-performance PCB guarantees strong signal quality and stability for superior overclocking ability. This allows you to push the limits of your system. A solid aluminum heat spreader efficiently dissipates heat from each module. This helps it consistently run at high clock speeds. It supports Intel XMP 2.0 for simple one-setting installation and setup. This makes it easy to get up and running. Available in multiple colors to match the style of your system. You can choose the perfect look for your build. What we like. This memory kit is optimized for overclocking, allowing you to push your system's performance further. It is also designed for wide compatibility with the latest Intel and AMD DDR4 motherboards. If you like to tweak your system for maximum performance or want a memory kit that fits in small builds, this is the one for you. What people say. They were easy to install and they work as expected. They are fast, reliable and compatible with my motherboard. Make sure you do your research to find the correct RAM if you have the same problem. Number 2. Patriot Signature Premium DDR4 8GB 2400 MHz. Introducing the Patriot Signature Premium DDR4 Memory Module. This module offers reliable performance and is designed for a seamless computing experience. It's built to enhance your system's capabilities. This module comes with a capacity of 8 GB, configured as a single 8 GB stick. It provides ample memory for multitasking and running demanding applications. This will help improve your overall system responsiveness. With a frequency of 2400 MHz, this memory module ensures fast data transfer rates. This allows for quicker loading times and smoother operation. It's designed to keep up with your fast-paced needs. Utilizing DDR4 technology, this memory module offers improved efficiency and performance. It operates at a lower voltage, contributing to energy savings. It's a great choice for modern systems. It features an aluminum heat shield to help dissipate heat. This design ensures stable performance, even during intensive tasks. This helps to extend the lifespan of the memory module. This product comes with a limited lifetime warranty, providing peace of mind. It's a testament to the quality and durability of the product. You can rely on it for years to come. What we like. This memory module features an aluminum heat shield for better heat dissipation, ensuring stable performance. It is a 288-pin SODIMM, suitable for desktop computers. If you are looking for a reliable memory module with a lifetime warranty and enhanced heat management, this is a great choice. What people say. Installed 4 sticks of 8 GB with no problems. BIOS saw the memory on startup and I had no issues. It gets the job done. Just as easy to install as other DDR4 RAM. Working well, no issues. Number 1. ATEC 8GB DDR4 2400 MHz Desktop RAM. This is the ATEC 8GB DDR4 RAM module. It's designed to enhance your desktop's performance. It's a great choice for anyone looking to upgrade their system. Installing this RAM is simple. You don't need to be a tech expert. You can easily upgrade your computer at home. This RAM will maximize your system's performance. It boosts loading speeds and allows you to multitask with ease. You'll notice a significant improvement. ATEC offers a lifetime warranty on this product. They also have a friendly tech support team. They are available to assist you with any questions. This is a single 8 GB RAM module. It's DDR4 DIMM 288-pin with speeds up to 2400 MHz. It's NONECC and operates at 1.2 V. What we like. This memory module is easy to install, requiring no special expertise. It helps maximize your system's performance and boosts loading speeds. If you are looking for a simple upgrade to improve your computer's responsiveness, this is a great option. What people say. Product is as advertised and performs as it should, DDR4 2400 for an older system, but it checks out. Right from the start, big increase in speed and performance. Easy install on my computer. Ran clean diagnostics, all okay. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.